Did you take anything over there?
No.
Oh. Someone's shooting a revolver. That might have been a P2. Oh, Vegans is there.
Oh, really?
Now, yeah. Someone's shooting a python ring. There's AKs everywhere. Oh, there's two guys right here. Like a Thompson guy, or a custom guy, and a Python guy, I think.
Hmm. I'm moving train yard.
You are?
Yeah, I spawned my suit, so I'm just gonna leave it. I already found a custom.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, first barrel I break is a custom. Might as well push my luck. Going all in.
I killed an AK guy. Naked with a revolver.
Beat him up, beat him up.
I am. He's stacked.
Get out of there, dude.